Oh, I don't have my red hats. Oh, yeah. Okay, wait. I got to put my red hats on. Yeah, I know. Ow. I hit my... I got to put it on the side. Okay. Well, there's my... Okay. Austin, you're so big.
No wonder it's big.
Yeah.
I can hold you like this.
Yeah. Is it recording?
Wait, Mom's got to be in.
Look at the candle and
Mom's
smile.
head's got to be
Look
in
at the cake and smile.
Right here.
Yeah, right there, Mom's face. And then Olivia, we didn't have Olivia in there, so she's in the background.
She's a new addition.
Okay, I think... Wait, Austin, you got to look to the side.
That way or that way?
No,
No, that the way you're looking at it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah,
to-
that
to
way.
your
That
right.
way, Mom.
No, you're right.
No,
this
that's the way
Oh,
she's
sorry,
doing it.
Yeah, I'm right here.
Oh, wait, no, wait. I think we're doing it flip.
No.
we're not.
Yeah,
you're good.
because it's supposed to be the opposite of that.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, no, Mom's on the right side.
That's good.
But my face is...
Yeah, you go the other way. The other way.
Come in.
There you go. Yeah. That's it. Okay, ready? 3,
Wait.
2.
I'm supposed to be this way.
Yeah.
Wait, I'm like this.
I think wait, and we got it.
We got it.
Okay, wait, now we got to do the video.
Oh, yeah.
Wait, Austin, you blow out the candles, buddy.
Did he blow them out in the video?
Good job, bud.
It was
Yeah.
Hadley that blew out all the candles.
Oh, Hadley blew them
And
out.
then
Oh,
Austin
no,
was
I
sad.
can't blow
Oh,
them
but
out.
Austin
Oh, wait, no.
Hadley blows
Wait,
out
and
all
then we
no,
re-
because
relit them.
that we redid it though, so
Yeah,
that
yeah,
you can
yeah.
feel better.
Oh, there we go.
10 years later. It only took us 10 years. A lot has changed since that picture, but what hasn't changed is how thankful we are for all of you drawing with us.
When we made that first video, we had no idea what would happen. We were just drawing together as a family. Now, knowing that millions of you have drawn with us too, that's pretty cool.
We see your drawings all the time. You send them to us and tag us. And we love how every drawing looks different.
A lot of you tell us that drawing helps you feel happy, calm, or brave enough to try something new. And that really means a lot to us.
Thank you for drawing with our family. We love being your art friends.
To all the teachers and classrooms drawing with us, thank you for making space for creativity. Seeing kids draw together at school means so much to our family.
10 million subscribers still feels unreal, but what matters most isn't the number, it's the time we've spent drawing together. So thank you for picking up a marker with us. Thank you for practicing, even when it's tricky. Thank you for sharing your stories, your ideas, and your amazing art. Being part of your art journey is one of our greatest honors of our family's life. We love you, and we'll see you later, art friends. Goodbye.